Welcome to the GX channel. Today I will show you how to repair a speaker on the Mark Levinson system found on many Lexus models, including the GX470. The Mark Levinson system is well known for its outstanding, clear, and balanced studio quality sound. I personally love the system, but with enough years and playing them a little too loud, the front lower door speaker foam surrounds tore, causing the system to sound raspy and distorted. Repairing the speaker is a much more cost-effective option than replacing them, and turned out to be less difficult than I imagined. I used a kit from Amazon for about $30 that included supplies to repair 2 speakers. There is a link to the kit in the description. Stick around and I will show you how. To complete this job, you will need rubbing alcohol, a plastic scraper, and screwdrivers. Let's get into it. First, you will need to remove the door panel. There are 3 screws to remove. 1 behind the door latch, 1 under the armrest, and 1 under the window switch plate. Remove a few pieces of trim. Next, pry the panel out, then lift up to remove the panel. Disconnect the remaining wires on the panel and remove the speaker. Remove the screws from the gasket cover. Remove the gasket cover from the speaker frame, being careful not to tear the speaker. Scrape off the old foam and glue from the speaker housing with a pick and rubbing alcohol. Ensure you remove all the old foam and glue to make a clean mounting surface for the new foam. Gently scrape the foam and glue from the speaker cone. Be careful not to damage the speaker cone or get it too wet because it is made of paper. Do one last wipe to remove any foam or glue. Clean off the old foam and glue from the speaker gasket frame. Apply glue to the bottom inner surface of the foam. This is the surface that will attach to the top of the speaker cone. Center the foam on the speaker cone. Gently press the foam on the speaker cone. Allow the glue to dry for a couple hours. Glue the bottom outer edge of the foam to the speaker housing. Glue the top outer edge of the foam. Place the gasket frame on top and attach with screws. The repair is complete and you're ready to enjoy your sound system again. Thank you for watching, and the link to this kit is in the description. If you like this video and want to see more helpful videos, give this a thumbs up and subscribe. Thanks.